Shakuntala Devi was born in Bangalore, Karnataka, to a Kannada Brahmin family. Her father worked in a circus. He discovered his daughter's ability to memorize numbers while teaching her a card trick when she was about 3 years old. Her father left the circus and took her on road shows that displayed her ability at calculation. She did this without any formal education. At the age of 6, she demonstrated her arithmetic abilities at the University of Mysore. Devi traveled to several countries around the world, demonstrating her arithmetic talents. In 1977, at Southern Methodist University, she gave the 23rd root of a 201-digit number in 50 seconds. Her answer was confirmed by calculations done at the US Bureau of Standards by the UNIVAC 1101 computer, for which a special program had to be written to perform such a large calculation, which took a longer time than for her to do the same. On 18th June 1980, she demonstrated the multiplication of two 13-digit numbers. These numbers were picked at random by the Department of Computing at Imperial College London. She correctly answered in 28 seconds, which was the time taken by her to speak the answer. This event was recorded in the 1982 Guinness Book of Records. Writer Stephen Smith commented, "The result is so far superior to anything previously reported that it can only be described as unbelievable." Shakuntala Devi explained many of the methods she used to do mental calculation in her book Figuring the Joy of Numbers, which is still in print. In one famous interview on the BBC in 1950, her answer to a mathematical question was deemed incorrect, before the host later acknowledged that in fact the computer's answer was wrong and Devi was right. In 1977, she wrote The World of Homosexuals, the first published academic study of homosexuality in India, for which she was criticized. In the documentary For Straights Only, she said that her interest in the topic was because of her marriage to a homosexual man and her desire to look at homosexuality more closely to understand it. Devi returned to India in the mid 1960s and married to Paritosh Banerjee, an officer of the Indian Administrative Service from Kolkata. They divorced in 1979 due to personal problems. Perhaps because of her fascination with numbers, Devi tried her hand at astrology, which is highly revered in Indian culture. According to a Times articles, she was seeing up to 60 clients a day. They would give her a date of birth, time of birth, and birthplace, and she would answer 3 questions about their life. She also wrote a book called Astrology for You. When Devi stopped touring the world, doing shows featuring her arithmetic prowess, she wrote several books on math and her techniques, including Puzzles to Puzzle You, Super Memory, It Can Be Yours, and Math Ability, Awaken the Math Genius in Your Style. But decades prior, in 1976, Devi also wrote a crime thriller called Perfect Murder. Written entirely in the first person, the story explores what happens in a lawyer motivated by greed decides to kill his wife to escape the marriage. In 1980, she contested the Lok Sabha elections as an independent candidate for Mumbai South and for Medak in Telangana. In Medak, she stood against the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, saying she wanted to defend the people of Medak from being fooled by Mrs. Gandhi. She stood ninth with 6,514 votes, 1.4% of the votes. Her fame, however, didn't translate into votes, and she finished ninth while Indira Gandhi went on to win and became Prime Minister once again. Now her life story has inspired the Hindi language film Shakuntala Devi. In April 2013, Devi was admitted to a hospital in Bangalore with severe respiratory problems. Over the following 2 weeks, she suffered from heart and kidney complications. She died in hospital on 21st April 2013. She was 83 years old. On 4th November 2013, Devi was honored with a Google Doodle on what would have been her 84th birthday.